Let's talk about the menstrual cycle. About 28 days of hormone teamwork. This is where the body prepares for pregnancy every month, whether you want it to or not. Day 1 starts with menstruation. The uterine lining, aka the endometrium, sheds because no fertilized egg has been implanted into the uterine wall from the last cycle. This is what's known as your period. At the same time, your pituitary gland releases follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH, which tells your ovaries to get a batch of follicles growing. Only one dominant follicle usually wins the race. The dominant follicle then produces estrogen, which tells your uterus, let's rebuild the lining just in case. When estrogen peaks, then it triggers a surge of luteinizing hormone, LH, which causes ovulation. Fancy words for the release of the egg, releasing the mature egg from the ovary into the fallopian tube. After ovulation, the leftover follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which produces progesterone. Now, progesterone helps to maintain and thicken the uterine lining, preparing for possible pregnancy. If fertilization doesn't happen, then the corpus luteum breaks down, progesterone levels crash, and the uterine lining sheds. And boom, your next period starts. The full cycle is complete. So let's recap this here. Menstrual phase is the shedding. Follicular phase is where the follicles grow. Ovulation, the egg launches. And finally, the luteal phase is where the lining is maintained or shed again. All controlled by a huge telephone game or a hormonal tag team. FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone.